How to install Zoom on a Mac. If you want to install the Zoom app, regardless of whichever Mac OS you're using, anything, right? What you do is you open up your Google Chrome browser first, or any browser by the way. Then just type in Zoom for Mac download on your browser. You'll find the first link from zoom.us. So click on the first link that says download Zoom for Mac. And here you can see it says download for Apple Silicon or download for Intel. So depending upon which Mac version you're using, in my case, it's Apple Silicon. It's the latest M4 Pro. So I will select that. Then when I've done that, I will receive a .pkg file. So this is quite different. It's not in .dmg, but it's in .pkg. So now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and then double click that file. It'll ask me to install the Zoom Workplace app. So I'll click on the continue button. You can select install only for yourself or for only all the users on this computer. Then click on the continue button. You can change the install location if that's what you want, but you can also click on the install button, enter your password, and the software will be installed on your device. I'll just close it because I don't really need the app, but that basically is the final step. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.